Hi guys, this is Ravel. Today I'll show you a beginner's Tabata workout. Tabata is a form of high intensity interval training where you do a 20-second work followed by a 10-second rest, usually done for 8 rounds. In this case, we'll split the 8 rounds into 2 sets with a minute rest in between. Our training program looks like this, so get your water bottle, towel, yoga mat. Let's hit it! Our first exercise is squats. Remember to always push with your heels, not with your toes. Keep your back straight, core tight, glutes back. Inhale on the way down, exhale on the way up. Our next exercise is push-ups. Remember to keep your back and glutes straight. Keep your core tight. Inhale on the way down, exhale on the way up. And if you find it hard to do a normal push-up, you can also do a modified push-up where you place your knees on the ground for additional support. Okay, next is leg raise. Remember to keep your core tight, straighten your legs as much as you can. Exhale on the way up, inhale on the way down. We'll finish off with some reverse lunges. Just like the squat, remember to push with your heels and not with your toes. Keep your core tight. Exhale on the way up and inhale on the way down. That's it for me today. I hope you enjoy your workout. If you find this video useful, please feel free to share it. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.